May balon at sana. Kasi kuya di ako. Kasi kuya? Oh.
Spending some quality time and practicing with the rifle and pistol is one of the most important things a police officer can do. If carrying a rifle and pistol, this piece of metal will become part of our body and to know it, really know it. Strength is also another important consideration. For rifle and pistol shooters, endurance and physical strength are more important than bulking up. Strength training that involves high repetition with low weights is preferable than low repetition with higher weights. Free people ought not only be armed and disciplined, but they should have sufficient arms and ammunition to maintain a status of independence from any who might attempt to abuse them.
Laray, patay ka ray. Ayaw, bata pa.
For information of everyone, the performers are using a replica of caliber 45 pistol and M16 rifle without ammo and magazine. From the rules of gun safety, consider every gun as if it is loaded. Therefore, it must be properly checked and be cleared by racking 3 times and showing it clear without ammo, so there's nothing to worry about. Ladies and gentlemen, standing before you are the selected male and female of PRSBRC Batch 2022-01 Tataglahi, armed with caliber 45 pistol and M16 rifle. Will show to you our guests and the viewing public what they have learned in the intricate process of the pistol and rifle drill.
Pistol and rifle exercise number 1. Are you ready? 1,
Standing position.
2,
It is the least steady of all fighting positions, but the quickest position to assume and is useful not only for quick shots, but for shooting over targets that cannot be shot using fighting positions.
Pistol and rifle exercise number 2. Are you ready? 1,
The kneeling position. Like the name implies, the shooter is on his kneeling position.
Tumbling
In
na
a
rin.
steadier aim but
Tumbling na
lesser
rin.
variability than standing position. The steadiness comes from the arm support and the knees, grounding the support.
7, Pistol and rifle exercise number 3. Are you ready? 1,
The prone position. It is the position where the shooter is lying on the ground. This is the most stable of all unsupported shooting positions. However, it is the position that takes more time to get into fight, and because of the elevation, it may not be possible in areas with medium to tall grass or other obstacles between the shooter and the target.
8, Pistol and rifle exercise number 4. Are you ready? 1,
The rolling position. It is like an active course of action, a combination of the rolling, kneeling, leg balance, and spinning and crunch position, using the body to roll, get into forward position in a full use of force in shooting the target.
6, 7, 8,
Katindog na yun.
9,
Wait rin eh.
10, 11. Pistol and rifle exercise number 5. Are you ready? 1,
This is the most advanced position, commonly used in VIP security. Standing is the most difficult, while you should not use it in the field if any other option exists. One should properly practice it the most at the range.
6, 7, 8. And now, the simulation and mal function drill.
Alright, function number 1. Are you ready? On your left.
Malfunction number 1.
On your left.
A dirty gun or corroded chamber can lead to failures to eject. asking the lack of a firm grip on the part of the shooter. If this situation occurs, one will want to do what is called the SAPRAC bang drill. This malfunction is also commonly referred to as a stovepipe.
Malfunction number 2. Are you ready? Ready! On your right.
Malfunction number 2, failure to feed.
Up!
Failure to feed is when a firearm fails to feed the next round into the firing chamber. During this type of malfunction, good communication and coordination with your buddy is necessary. The body of the shooter automatically covers fire, while the firer treats his firearm then recover.
Malfunction number 3. Are you ready? Ready! Up!
Malfunction number 3, the blood bullet, also known as a misfire or failure to fire, occurs when the trigger is pulled, but the primer or powder in the cartridge malfunctions, causing the firearm not to discharge. Blood rounds can still be dangerous and should be deactivated and disposed of properly. Shooters who experience malfunction should directly treat their firearms as fast as they can, while their body automatically cover fire for security purposes.
Nino, ang pasikat sa subok. Boom!
During an operation conducted, unavoidably one may get hit or injured. Obligingly, it is a must not to leave the troops behind and immediately evacuate them for medical purposes. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the strong male and female of BRTRC batch 1222-01, Tatagalahi. Let's give them a round of applause, please. We would like to thank all our dear mentors, especially Police Chief Master Sergeant Gilberto Labial Galasta Jr., headed by our Police Major Russell Obligado Alianza Sir, Chief Administrative Section, at the same time the Chief Officer in charge of Regional Training Center 10, who patiently trained and molded us in order to become an effective police officer.
Yan na, Ray. Nay-drone ka ba, Ray? Lah, sika, Ray, sa'yo mo man